Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log out of Skout application. If you are finding difficulties in logging out of Skout and you'd like to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Skout application from your app drawer. Once you're inside of your Skout dating application, go and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner in order to open up an expanded menu. Scroll all the way down at the bottom and you'll be able to spot a button that says Log Out. Simply tap it on and from the pop-up, select Yes in order to confirm your logging out action. Once you tap on Yes, wait for a few seconds and there you have been logged out or signed out of your Skout application. If you'd like to log in again, you'll need to choose one of the options over here in the display and make sure to choose the same option that you used during the sign up process for Skout. Since I signed up using my email, let me tap on the email option at the bottom left and tap on Login with email in order to log into your account. Type in your credentials in the text boxes that appears in the display and then tap on Login. That was how you can quickly log out of your Skout application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.